Hey there, let's chat about craniofacial variations, something straight out of biological anthropology and the beauty of human diversity. Just imagine the skulls from various populations as pieces of art, each a unique expression of identity and cultural significance. Now, let's dive into a fascinating part of that, something that links directly to your interest in technological solutions, the implementation of Windows security in light of these anatomical differences. Microsoft Defender for Endpoint, for instance, takes into account the broad span of hardware that's out there, including those that might slightly deviate from norms, perhaps due to craniofacial abnormalities. For IT professionals like yourself, understanding these nuances can shape more personalized and effective cybersecurity strategies. So, let's kick off a journey to untangle these complexities, shall we? In our world, every bit of anatomical diversity holds valuable data, which Microsoft Defender uses to enhance the security and robustness of endpoint protection. Different skull shapes, sizes, and sutures, that's the connective tissue between bones, can influence a computer's hardware, akin to how these variations impact the human experience. Let's start by acknowledging the inherent strength of diversity in biology, as in technology. As in the field of anthropology, where craniofacial studies offer insights into our evolutionary past, Defender for Endpoint provides a layer of insight into the threats that target our digital lives, drawing from a rich history of cybersecurity. When implementing advanced Windows security through Microsoft Defender, understanding the physical manifestations of craniofacial variation reminds us of the importance of adaptability. Different hardware configurations may need custom approaches, a principle that mirrors the need for a defense mechanism that grows in adaptability as threats evolve. To implement Windows security using Microsoft Defender for Endpoint, here's what you'll need to know. 1. As each anatomical study begins with understanding variations, setting up Microsoft Defender should begin with configuring it to recognize different device types and profiles. Tailoring the setup to each endpoint, similar to how a clinical exam addresses individual skull abnormalities, ensures precise protection. 2. Like how anthropologists must collaborate with medical professionals to comprehensively understand human variation, IT professionals must integrate Microsoft Defender's protection with other cybersecurity solutions and network infrastructures, creating a harmony of defense. 3. Defender for Endpoint scrutinize endpoints. Much like how anthropologists scrutinize craniofacial data in physical specimens, its behavior monitoring capabilities allow for the identification of suspicious activities, a key aspect in protecting human physical integrity and digital data alike. 4. Anthropologists delve into patterns of craniofacial variation to draw conclusions about ancestral populations. In the digital realm, Microsoft Defender provides rapid response and forensic capabilities for investigation into potential security incidents, turning data into actionable intelligence. 5. Remember, the end goal of any security measure is to protect without hindering the user, their ability to operate comfortably with their device, as comfort is vital in both our physical and digital environments. Through these concepts, akin to the detailed examination in anthropological studies of craniofacial variation, you can appreciate the deeper meaning behind implementing Windows security with Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. As we wrap up this conversation, it's clear how our human story and technology intertwine. Just like understanding craniofacial variation has helped us comprehend our diversity and evolution, employing robust security solutions like Microsoft Defender for Endpoint allows us to navigate the digital world safely and confidently. Visit neeraj.zizo.io, subscribe to TechLab, and join a community passionate about the intersection of anthropology, technology, and human diversity.